everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Okay, this is our Thanksgiving edition. Herb stuffing and chicken sausage with celery and onions. Right there, all you do is heat it up. It looks delicious, of course. Okay, and this is going right now for $9.49 at Costco. So the instructions are super easy. Open it up, all it says is to slice that, put a cut in the middle, put it on a baking tray. So this goes into the oven now for about 25 minutes. The temperature's 350 for 25 minutes. All right, here we go. We got the stuffing. So I kept it in there for the full 25 minutes on 350. Now,
I don't like stuffing.
My beautiful wife here loves stuffing. Maybe you'll like this one. I don't know. That's what it looks like right out of the old oven. I'm gonna kind of break it up a little bit. Okay.
I hate stuffing.
I
don't know why you would make me try something I just don't like already.
How do you know? You might like it. You don't ever try things. Let's see. Oh yeah, now 25 minutes. What?
It's just like mush.
Well, it's bread with all that stuff, so it kind of does turn into a mush. You eat oatmeal, which is total mush. So what do you think of the flavor? You don't like the flavor? No? Are you for real? Her eyes are watering. Go get you a Coke or something.
I know.
All right, well, if you like stuffing, and I love stuffing, I'm gonna highly recommend it. You can taste the flavors. It has lots going on here on the old palate. So it's moist, which I'm really glad it's not dried out. I like the flavors a lot. I'd give this a rating of somewhere right around probably a 7.5. Now it's hard because I'm comparing it to my mom's homemade, which is like a 20. But this is good. I think you'd like it. Again, I'll recommend this for sure. But yeah, I think you'd like it. So, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. We hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And remember to subscribe and share all those wonderful things that we always ask you to do. We have, what, 775 subscribers now, which is awesome. So thank you, those of you that have subscribed. And again, we would like to wish you all a good Thanksgiving and happy holidays. Okay, bye-bye.